Hi, good morning students. Today our topic is damped harmonic oscillator, which is in first BSc second semester. It is very important question. A simple harmonic oscillator in first unit, this is in second unit. Now see this question. What is damped harmonic oscillator? Obtain its differential equation and solution of equation of motion. Here see this the answer. First, what is damped harmonic oscillator? Here, what is the meaning of damped? Damped is nothing but diminished or decreasing something. Here, what is decreasing? Here, the amplitude of vibration of body decreases. The amplitude of vibration of body decreases with respect to time gradually due to air resistance. So it is named as damped harmonic oscillator. Let's see this definition clearly. When a body or particle oscillating in the presence of air or any other medium, the amplitude of vibration of body decreases with respect to time gradually, and it comes to rest after a certain period of time. This type of motion of the body is known as damped harmonic motion, and the oscillator is called as damped harmonic oscillator. The best example is pendulum oscillating through air or water medium. See this the diagram very clearly. Here the bob is at mean position O, and we are bringing the bob to a displacement x and then released. It is oscillating to and fro about the mean position. For every time the amplitude of the bar is going to be decreased and then finally comes to rest position. See this, the bob coming to rest position gradually due to resistance from the medium. Now we are going to derive the differential equation for damped harmonic oscillator. Here the damped harmonic oscillator is under two types of forces. What are they? One is restoring force, another is frictional force. Here these two forces are de-accelerated the damped harmonic motion. Here see this, F is proportional to minus x, which is written as F is equals to minus kx. That is, the restoring force is directly proportional to displacement of the particle, and we taken k as a proportionality constant. F is equals to minus kx. In the next frictional force, F suffix r is proportional to minus dx by dt, that is velocity. Frictional force is directly proportional to the velocity of the particle, but it is in opposite direction. That is, more will be the velocity of the particle, more frictional force acting on the body. So we get this one as F suffix r is equals to minus capital R into dx by dt. Here r is taken as a proportional constant. And see this, due to the above forces, the oscillating body gets de-accelerated, but it comes to mean position after a certain interval of time. So that these two forces are must equals to Newton's second law. F is equals to ma, which is equals to m into d square x by dt square. Now we are writing this one as m into d square x by dt square is equals to minus r into dx by dt minus k into x. D square x by dt square is equals to minus r by m into dx by dt minus k by n into x. Just we take an m to this side. Now the equation is remade as d square x by dt square plus r by m into dx by dt plus k by m into x is equals to 0. Here we use the terms d square x by dt square plus 2b into dx by dt plus omega square x is equals to 0. That is, observe this equation. We replace the r by m is equals to 2b and omega square is for k by m. Here what is 2b? 2b is a constant. Here b is a damping constant. It tells about the damping of oscillator. M is equals to mass of the bob, and K is equals to force constant, R is equals to frictional force constant, and omega is equals to angular frequency. This is the required differential equation for damped harmonic oscillator. In last class simple harmonic oscillator we got d square x by dt square plus omega square x is equals to 0. But see, in this case d square x by dt square plus 2b into dx by dt plus omega square x is equals to 0. What is the extra term? Extra term is what? 2b into dx by dt. This tells about the damping of the oscillator. Now we are going to derive the solution for this differential equation. See this. Solution of the equation. We are taking x is equals to a into e power alpha t for the solution of damped harmonic differential equation. Remember, in simple harmonic equation we take an x is equals to a sin omega t, but in this case we are taking about x is equals to a into e power alpha t, exponential term. Why we take an exponential term? You know that the amplitude going to be decreased. Now to get dx by dt, dx square x by dt square, we are differentiating twice to the equation 4, x is equals to a into e power alpha t. Once the first differentiation we get dx by dt is equals to a into alpha into e power alpha t, and d square x by dt square is equals to a into alpha square into e power alpha t. Now these 4, 5, 6 equation putting in equation 3, then we get, see this is the equation 3, and we are putting the values from 4, 5, 6. We are getting a into alpha square into e power alpha t plus 2b into a into alpha into e power alpha t plus omega square into a into e power alpha t is equals to 0. Now in this equation we are taking a into e power alpha t common. Then we have alpha square plus 2b alpha plus omega square is equals to 0. Here in the above equation a into e power alpha t is not equals to 0. What is equals to 0? Alpha square plus 2b alpha plus omega square is equals to 0. Why we are putting a into e power alpha t is equals to 0 means the amplitude of the oscillator is existing. If a into e power alpha t is equals to 0, there is no completely oscillation of the oscillator. That's why we are not taken is equals to 0. We taken is not equals to 0. So that the equation alpha square plus 2b alpha plus omega square is equals to 0 is similar to ax square plus bx plus c. It is a quadratic equation. To get the roots we are using the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. In the above equation a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2b, and c is equals to omega square. See this. After substituting we get the value of alpha is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus omega square. So we get this answer by substituting the values of a, b, c in the above equation minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. I did this calculation in the right hand side. So we get the value of alpha is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus omega square. See this. Now in this answer we have two terms. One is positive term, another is negative term. That is alpha is equals to minus b plus root of b square minus omega square is the one term, and the next term is alpha is equals to minus b minus root of b square minus omega square. So that we have to substitute the value of alpha in equation 4. X is equals to a into alpha t. We get x is equals to a1 into e power minus b plus root of b square minus omega square into t plus a2 into e power minus b minus root of b square minus omega square into t. So this is the required solution for damped harmonic oscillator. I hope you understand this calculation. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section and ask me. I will explain. In the next class we are going to discuss about the cases of damped harmonic oscillator. Thank you.